Alright, huge loss today, but I'm not super upset because I learned a lot. So, so I went long today. Obviously, you can see that did not work out good. Why I went long? Because my bias was that we are gonna go up, dude. Okay. My bias was that we are gonna go up into weekly equilibrium, right? So you see in the weekly, boom, and then either that's gonna be then a reversal upwards, back into the normal uptrend, or price will continue the downtrend. Now, what happened though was obviously we had so many days, so many bullish moves, right? Boom, 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 3 in a row, and I'm like, okay, and before, like a couple of weeks ago, before I expected, I kept in my mind usually that like, okay, maybe a retrace will happen, right? For some reason, I forgot that retracements exist, and I didn't consider that maybe a retracement will happen. So I kind of got, mirrored my bias, and I looked for long. And also, other thing I messed up on, I shouldn't have even taken a trade today, because guess what? I entered off of this right here. Okay? This is why, like, hold up. I entered off of this right here, right? So we sweep low, right? And there was never 50-minute breaker structure, ever. But there was a huge kind of 5-minute breaker structure. And my trading plan is supposed to be either a single, like, move up. So, like, this right here would have to be green, all the way to break structure here for me to enter. But no, it wasn't. But I still entered based off of just pure fear of missing out, and I paid the price for it. Okay, so this taught me stick with my plan no matter what, whatever. I know that now. Like, stop it. 15-minute. Otherwise, I would have waited for 15-minute breaker structure, which would have never happened. Literally never would have happened. Never. Not even once. It happened down here. And maybe that's the start. Who knows? Like, honestly, shoot, I might. I don't know. I might take a trade right now. I don't know. I honestly might take a trade right now because, but like, maybe, we'll see. Timing stuff I still have to figure out, but if we're having 15-minute breaker structure, as you can see here, and we even had a nice 5-minute breaker structure as well, strong one. So this is where I would take the trade. Regardless, though, I don't know if I'll take it because I'm not technically not supposed to, but I never really made that a definitive rule. Let's say I didn't marry my bias, though. What would I look at? Okay, I'm like, we just had 3 moves down. Maybe we have a potential short day today. Okay, I see this sweep right here. Okay, I'm looking for a strong breaker structure off of this sweep. Did we get it? Move down. No. Okay, this sweep, do we get it? No. Okay, so now, and that was actually, that's at AM. Hold on, what am I talking about? I just started trading. Okay, boom, I'm like right here. We sweep this high. Do we get a strong breaker structure down? No. I mean, yes, it's strong, but not what I need. So, what it's ideal for me. So I would wait for the 15-minute, right? Where does that happen? Right here. 15-minute close. Now what do? I'm looking for a 5-minute retracement into a fair value gap right here, which we get. And it broke, but like, or this order block, okay, or yeah, boom, okay, and we go into that. Now I'm gonna wait for 1 minute. Since we got 15-minute breaker structure already, now I'm waiting for a 1-minute breaker structure, like a reaction off of that. Okay. Boom, goes up into it. We break structure, I enter right here. Setup, boom, completed. Everything in my setup hit. Okay, now we just look for longs or take profits. See you in the 4 hour. I hate this thing. I want to remove those lines. Worst take profit could be, oh, right here, which would give me also, I'll put my stop loss. Where is the sweep that I took the trade off of? Right here. I'm taking the trade off of this 5-minute liquidity sweep, right? So stop loss above here, literally a 50-point stop loss. So I could have taken 4 contracts with that. Where am I targeting? All right, so these lows right there give me a 153 risk reward. Other than that, I would not go further than this, which all of that would hit for a grand total of $335. So I would have made around $2,500 off of this trade. Literally a 6 risk reward ratio. Like literally beautiful setup. I just, married my bias, was wrong. Tomorrow I am thinking longs though. I am thinking longs because we're still in the uptrend. Okay, we never broke structure yet. Okay, and we're seeing this low get swept. So, and we also fill this imbalance. We fill this imbalance. Maybe we'll continue down to the equilibrium. I'll keep that in the back of my head. Like if we get strong signs to the downside, then I'll keep that in my head. We might be bearish tomorrow again. But if we hit equilibrium, then we're almost breaking structure to the downside, which I don't think market wants to do. So I'm gonna be long biased tomorrow. But anyway, and like that's really all that maybe I would go for this first. I probably would, bro. For 20. No, I wouldn't. That would give me like, yeah, no, I wouldn't. I would target these lows. Yeah, man, it would have been a beautiful trade, but honestly, what did I gain more? Would I gain more from getting the money or gain more from getting the knowledge that I got today because of the loss? Probably the loss helped me more than if I made money today because I know why. I learned my lesson. Stick with your plan. It will work. There's no fear of missing out. If you don't trade, because guess what? If I didn't trade today, I would have saved $600 instead of losing it. So no, stick with your plan. This is perfect. Stick with your plan and don't marry your bias. All right, always keep the opposite in the back of your mind, how it could happen. But tomorrow I'm looking for longs, but I'm still keeping in mind that price may want to drop further. But I doubt it. I doubt it. I think we're going to have similar retracement as we did here, and we're going to continue up the trend. That's, like, I'm even more confident. Like, today, like, obviously, it's not going to go like this forever. It never does. It never goes down like that forever. It needs some type of retracement. And we got that today, and I missed it. And usually I've literally done trades off of, like, because I expected a retracement, but for some reason I didn't today. I completely forgot about that. Anyway, I'm actually pretty happy because I learned a lot today, but I'll see you tomorrow. And I also got to learn SMT divergence. That's something I want to learn. But yeah, see you tomorrow.